Hello everyone and welcome to our session, How to Launch Your SMS Marketing Strategy for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Before we go over and see a breakdown of a successful SMS marketing campaign for Black Friday, let's go and see why this Black Friday is expected to break all new records. With the current global situation, we've seen a major shift towards online-first businesses, and these holidays are no exception. It's expected that over 66% of purchases are going to happen online, and over 70% of those are going to be realized on mobile phones. Also, another interesting fact is due to the high level of uncertainty because of the global situation, we are seeing that a lot of merchants started their sales much earlier, mid-October, beginning of November. And actually, statistics show that only 30% of the holiday shopping is actually going to be done during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So that being said, merchants need to find new and innovative ways to cut through the noise and stand out from the competition. And this is actually where SMSBump comes into play. And don't just trust me, trust the statistics. Last year on Black Friday, our merchants saw 67% uptake in their revenue from SMS, an astonishing return on investment of 40 times and more. The average conversion rate was 45%. So let's jump on and see how we can replicate those results. To launch a successful SMS marketing campaign, you need to have three main things: right audience, right timing, and the right message. Now, starting with the audience. Let's see how you can create personalized campaigns thanks to our segmentation features. SMSBump has the broadest variety of segmentation filters, and it also connects with your Shopify data. So all the information that you have gathered about your customers in Shopify is going to be available as filters in SMSBump as well. Think about segmentation as a process of creating your buyer persona. You know what the customers like, what their characteristics are, and you start to create your most ideal customer. This is exactly what you can do with our segments. You can filter people based on their purchase behavior, on their shopping interests, and of course on their demographics, such as gender and location. So let's say we want to launch a Black Friday campaign for your sports goods. What we can do is we can go over to our segment and first create the right audience. In our case, this is going to be people who said that they are interested in sports goods or have purchased from any of the particular brands, such as Reebok, Adidas, and everything you know about your typical sports brands. Now, once you have figured out the right audience, it's time to figure out the right messaging. The key to a successful SMS message is to be short, straight to the point, and have clear call to action. What's also really important is to try and personalize your messages. It's really interesting to see that personalization in text marketing can improve your conversion up to 54%. And just compare the two messages. You see one really impersonal, just like some discount. You don't even know which company exactly is sending you that. And on the other hand, we have a branded message where we address the person with their name. We are going back a little bit based on their interests and their past purchase behavior. In our case, we are saying that those are people that purchased a dress before, and only then we proceed to the offer. And I think it's no wonder why such type of personalized messages are converting so much better. And to help you apply this into your Black Friday, Cyber Monday strategy, we prepared for you an exemplary campaign that you can launch. The campaign is going to consist of 4 main points. First of all, we're going to launch an early campaign, which is going to start on Monday. We're going to have the core Black Friday campaign on Thursday. On the weekend, we're going to have like a follow-up campaign. And finally, we're going to finish up with our Cyber Monday sale. Starting with the early sale, you can schedule the campaign on Monday, November 23rd, and use this campaign to motivate all your most valuable customers. Those are people that purchase many times from you or of high value. What I suggest to you is that you emphasize that this is an exclusive offer just for them. and they have the opportunity to start buying well before the holidays kick in. Also, another benefit of this is that you can also start to better manage the stocks during the busiest time of the year. So your traffic is not just concentrated on one day, but it's spread across the whole week. If you want the customers to feel special and really valued, you should try to emphasize that in everything, from the copy, the image you select to choose, and even the discounts that you're showing. And if you wonder what discounts you can use to make it even more personal and exclusive, try something like Loyal, Black Friday VIP, and something in the sorts. Now, moving over to the main campaign, Black Friday campaign. For best results, you can go over and launch it already on Thursday when customers are still getting ready for the big day and are still not overwhelmed with deals. I'd exclude the most valuable customer because we have just sent them a message a couple of days before and you don't want to overspam them. Here it's important to be concise and straight to the point. Your customers would know why you are actually writing them before they receive their messages. It's Black Friday, of course it's gonna be with a sale. So be short, be sharp, make sure the discount is visible, and for best results, don't only type the discount but also embed it in your link so it's automatically applied when customers click on it. Now, we have captured a bigger part of their sales, but there are still people that haven't made a purchase on Friday. What you can do is you can launch a follow-up campaign during the Cyber weekend. This campaign can be really short and would ideally target people who haven't made a purchase on Black Friday. By adding words like things are selling out fast, hurry up, while the stock lasts, or limited offer, you can really improve your chance of conversion. You can also decide to boost your campaign a little bit by maybe offering a higher discount or another offer such as buy one, get one free. Now, moving over to the last part of your campaign. This is going to be a campaign which is going to be launched on November 30th, or better known as Cyber Monday. The goal of this campaign is to maximize sales. So personally, I would suggest that you target people who have not reacted to your messages. So they didn't click on any of the offers you're offering. Maybe they didn't like it. Maybe the discount was not big enough. So to make sure you grab those people, you can do two things. First of all, you can slightly increase your discount. And the second thing is that you try to point out how exclusive this offer is for them. So talk about that this is special for them, this is exclusive, this is limited, and also make sure that you point out that this offer ends tonight. So try to use words like limited, last chance, stocks are running low, the offer lasts only until midnight, so you urge them to act right away. So, as you saw, there's nothing complicated in setting up a successful campaign for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It's a matter of the right timing, the right message, and the right audience. I hope this session was of use of you and you can apply what you learned today for your campaign this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next one.